Right.
Uh, Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the characteristics of computer network. What are the characteristics of computer network? That is fault tolerance, scalability, quality of service, and security. So, before getting into fault tolerance, let's discuss with a scenario. So, this is the switch, and these are the systems that are connected to the switch wired through wired network. Okay, so this is connected to the router, and these are the routers, that is router 1, router 2, router 3, this is router 4, this is router 5, then it is connected to the web server. So this one is called as wired network. Okay, through the wired network it is connected to the server. So what about wireless? See, here we have cell tower here, and smartphone is connected with the cell tower, and through the wireless router it will be connected to the web server. So this is the thing. And wired systems are connected through the wired network. Wireless systems, that are smartphone, tablet, so these are the things that are connected through the wireless network. Okay, I hope you find out the difference between a wired and wireless systems. And here, ability of computer network to continue despite failure. Okay, continue working despite failure. What does it mean? So if any failure occurs also, there will not be any loss of service. So that is called as fault tolerance. For example, this system, I'm giving some website and I'm searching means, so through the switch it will be reaching the router, and through these routers it will be reaching that particular web server. Okay, so what happens if this router 1 gets collapsed or damaged, or fault occurred in this router 1? What happens? So it will find the other possible route, best route to travel and to reach the web server. So this through the switch it will reach this router. It will see, check the router 1. So it finds out that this is a fault. It has occurred some fault. It got some damage. So what it will do, it will find the other possible route. So in this router, this is having some damage, means it will take the alternative path, that is this, it will reach this router. This is router 2. So through this router 2 it will find router 4 or router 3 is good. So it will find router 3 is good, means through this router 5 it will reach the web server. So this is how this network will behave. So this is the characteristics of network, that is fault tolerance. So if this router or some intermediary devices getting fault, means getting damaged, means, so it will find out the other possible best device to reach the web server. So this is called as fault tolerance. The next one is scalability. What is scalability? It is ability to grow based on the needs. So if there are four systems, means for four systems it will be able to transmit the message. If there are 100 systems, means for those 100 systems it will, the network is scalable. So there will not be any loss of service. So that is called as scalability. So we can find out that we can say our normal network as an example for scalability. Then QoS, that is quality of service. So it should have the ability to set priorities. Like this router is router 1 is receiving two data at a time. Okay, so this router 1 is receiving a data from voice over IP, and then from uh, an email from the system, from email, means, so the system has to communicate with the other system. So through this router, this message is transferring, means, so this router 1 is receiving voice over IP as well as the email message. So what this router 1 should do, it should give more priority to voice over IP only, because voice over IP is the real time scenario, right? So delays won't be entertained in voice over IP, because voice over IP is nothing but your WhatsApp call. So if delays are there, so the user will be irritated. Okay, so this router should have the mindset to support voice over IP than emails, because if delays are there for emails, it won't uh, uh, it won't affect the user, right? So this is called as quality of service. Okay, ability to set priorities, the ability to manage the data traffic to reduce the loss. Then security, as you know, the system has to communicate with other system or any bank transfer, whatever may be, it should be in a secured way. Okay, so these are all the things, are the characteristics of network. Hope you understand this. Okay, thank you.